Disney World Cooking Show, episode
2.
What are we making today?
A
Dole Whip.
A Dole Whip.
A Dole Whip. It's our first time making a Dole Whip. So my daughter already has a Moana outfit. I got it for her second birthday. She's now just turned 3 and it still fits her. So I was going to Target to pick up like pineapple juice and things I needed from this, and I was like, I need a Moana bounding outfit. And look, I walk in and how cute is this shirt? Not forget about the Tiki Room earrings. Make way, make way.
Nugamon.
Oh, your wig?
Yeah, let's go get my wig.
You wanna wear your Moana wig?
I sure do.
This is gonna be the silliest Disney World cooking show ever. Well, I did throw strawberry juice in my eye last time. It's gonna be hard to cover all your pretty blonde hair up. So we're gonna make 2 recipes. This is the vegan version that's really simple. Landon and she cut up bananas yesterday and they've been in the freezer. We need to put those in the blender. And then we have frozen pineapple juice that needs to go in the blender. 1 frozen banana, frozen pineapple juice. You know what's kind of funny? We don't get Dole Whips very often, do we? At the parks.
Yeah.
And then 2.5 teaspoons of confectioner's sugar. 2. It's a very plentiful one. And now we need to put that in, and then 1/2 cup of coconut milk.
Can we eat it?
Sure, go for it. You like it? Ready? This looks pretty good. Give it a little scrapey scrape. And then this was your Meemaw's special cup. My mom used to make me butterscotch pudding in this. It was my favorite treat that she would make me. When she passed away, there was one of these left, so I snagged it. Give it one more zhuzh.
And then it's done?
And then we'll be done. You ready to taste it?
Dole Whip, my favorite.
Oh. This is good.
It's pretty good.
Tastes very banana-y. Has a lot of banana in it. It got serious. The wig came off.
Yummy.
It's really yummy. Okay, Dole Whip number 2. Pineapple whip. Watch me, Nene. Watch me pineapple whip. And watch me, Nene. In the tiki room.
In the tiki room.
In the tiki. Can you pour this pineapple juice into this 1/2 cup?
Let me see.
Good. Okay, hold on. Okay, 1/2 cup. 2 cups of frozen.
Mom, don't whip this in your eye.
Don't whip it in my eye. Like a certain strawberry, frozen bag of strawberries. Cup of ice cream. Usually dairy free, but we're gonna have to do that. Woohoo! We need to add more pineapple juice. Give me a little more juice. Oh, this looks very Dole Whippy. Okay, Dole Whip number 2.
Yummy!
With ice cream.
Ice cream.
I think this is better. What do you think?
Good.
It's really good. I have an idea.
Number 2.
Let's give it a little turn. What, Landon?
Number 2.
Number 2 is your favorite? Delicious.
Thank you for watching.
Your lips are frozen. My lips are frozen. Where are we, what are we gonna make next?
Huh?
Hmm?
Trivia. What's it?
I don't know what we're gonna make next. It's really good.
Ice cream yumminess.
And ice cream yumminess next. What if we made the kitchen sink from Peaches and Cream? It's probably like 25,000 calories. So stay tuned for episode 3. But next video, Disney video, I think I might do some tie-dye Mickey t-shirts.
Mommy, get me outside.
Oh, okay. We gotta go outside. Say bye.
Bye.
Your lips aren't working. Dole Whip number 1. Daddy's trying the Dole Whip.
It's yummy.
I have a sip too.
Daddy. Dole Whip number 2.
I think I like this one better.
Yep, that's what Landon and I said. So that one is not vegan, it has ice cream in it. That one has banana in it. I think it's too banana. Dole Whip number 1.
The banana really stands out. They're both very good.
Yeah, the banana stands out too much, I think.
Yeah. This one tastes more like a Dole Whip.
Oh, yes.
Spiced around?
It's really good.
Okay.
Put it on top of number 2. Good, right?
Yeah, it's just like a super good. Didn't go out.
Yeah.
Mommy?
Yeah. You ready for dinner? She went from Moana to Tiana.